Lamsuko tikreng TV channel night tonglerno phaidi sung hain hoi tini main quarter ma topic no tigi sung video nainan thalai naidi jotto tiprasani khugono tiprasa ekot ni tokunao kintu aboni bisingni basic structure tamo ti abo ungnani thangkangke tamo bini bisingo structure tong ti implement ungnani thangkangke bono tamo khlainana abono sung kaham ke bujilainai ti jotto borokno saimia ko tongko sung kento buku gwai hingke tiprasa ekot ni salai tongo kintu bisingni basic structure sung saimaya bo tongo abono sung tini srai ke bujiu nyalainai phaidingke video sengnani phaiching thanglai naidi tiprasa ekot ni structure ni kok kathar tripartite agreement hwnui bo sinijago abono 2 March 2024 Tripura haste kwbangma jora wngwi tongnai tiprasa dophani borokni jungjalno swnamna bagwi swnamjak tiprasa ekotno overview what the accord covers eba kwtal naimung accord tamno hin the accord is a formal agreement between three parties eba accord wngkha khoroktam borokni kwcharo formal ke swmai tangmani 1 number Government of India representative by the Ministry of Home Affairs eba Bharat hasteni sarkar hasteni samung tangnai montri ni thani obongkha 1 number point 2 number point obono sajaka Government of Tripura eba Tripura hasteni sarkar 3 number point wngkha Tripura Motha eba Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance eba Tripura Motha dophani swkang naituknai amchaio tongnai bini jungjal wngkha kwbangma indigenous wansuk mungrokno swnamnani khakchangma bai tei o accord to tamo sajak naidi o accord to 1 number sajaka history land right and political rights eba history hani kok tei rajniti ni kok 2 number sajaka economic development rangchakni tormung 3 number wngkha cultural and identity preservation eba samung tei sinimung mwthangmani 4 number wngkha language notable promotion kokborok and it is script eba kokthai kokborok tei bini swimungno kuchugo tisanani bini structure wngkha naidi structural element of the accord eba smaimungni swnamjak manwirok tei tiprasa accord implement wngkhe bini structure bahike bono apply khaijaknai nainedi orbo 1 number wngkha formatted of a joint working committee a committee also called the joint working group JWG was established to meticulously plan and implement the accord as provision in a time-bound and structured manner. Eba kaisa kwthalai samung tangnai committee snamnani. Kaisa committee joint samung tangnai dol JWG hwnui bo bono sinijago. Snamjakkha obo wngkha accord. Obo wngkha accord ni kogrokno jora khai tei rangchak khe wansukna bagwi 2 number wngkha naidi commitment to dialogue and implementation. The accord mandate regular continuation. In fact, the first meeting of the JWG took place around September 2024 with a commitment to meet every 2 months, signaling continuity and sustained progress. Eba kok salaina bagwi tei samung tangna bagwi hatungma accord ni bisingtwi jora khe kok salaina nangnai kubui khe JWG ni puila thumlaimung 2024 bisini September talni bisingo wngkha talni jorao kuklainani bagwi swmai tangwi obo wngkha thungmung tei thungmungni signal 3 number wngkha peace clause no agitation to ensure the conduct environment for dialogue all parties agreed to refrain from protest, agitation or violence from the sickening date until the committee come into effect. Eba ketalaimani kok agitation kerei kok salainani bagai kahamke tongna bagai bebak party rok singning engmani salni simi committee engei thangma jora protest engei tongmani eba engei tongmani tongna bagai kok salaikya daite kaisa notable the development from the court talk ekot kok salaimani bisingtui nukjaknai engei thangmarok 2024 bisini December talni bisingo horoknui no kok salaimani kaisa kotor wngkha thungmungni exam o English kokno tei kokthai engei rwnani songmari Bengali kokno twiwi majra bermani kokno khomajak tei o smai tangmani bisingtui TTADC ni Tripura Jati hayungni sajla samungno kotor wngnani samungno swkang tubukha BTC High Council rok hai kheno obono teibo kotor khe hao rwngthomani phan rwkha oboni recap the structure ni highlight oboni structure ni highlight wngkha component daily recap swnamjakmani kotorma rok kwtal manui rokni koktwma swngcharni party involved center haste Tripura motha musungma jagarok ha rajniti ni koktwma rangri tongmung sinimung kokthai samung tangmani lama kwthalaiwi samung tangnai committee bai talnini uthuma tei kwchangma koktwma no sign wngmani ulo protest eba uanama kwrwi hwnwi gosijakya swkangni wngwi manma kokthai swlaimung TTADC ni bagwi sakni phan daidi oborok wngkha Tripura Accord ni Tripura Haikyu ni kokthai rok o jaga sajaka norok buji mankha na Tripura Accord o tamo sabo je Tripura Accord mane je tinjon government miliwi khaimani sabo government miliwi khaikya government of India tei government of Tripura tei Tripura motha eba indigenous progressive regional alliance rok tinjora miliwi khaikya tei o jaga tamo sanjaka history land rights and political rights eba kokrok bai khe abono hino history tei hani kok tei rajniti ni kok tei kaisa economic development abono kokrok bai khe rangchakni tormung tei 3 number wngkha cultural identity of the preparation tei samung sinimung tei mwthangmani 4 number abono sanjaka language notable promotion kokrok and it is script eba kokthai kokrok tei ni bisingni sungmung no kuchuko tisanani hingke bono implementing khaina hingke tam khaina nangnai oboni bisingo bo reejaka naidi tinta point khlaijaka norokno ang sai khnaka tei buji hingke nai naidi puila hingke obono wngna di thang hingke joint working committee 1 number khe joint working committee ma khainai eba 2 number hingke commitment to dialogue and implementation 2 number hingke commitment dialogue and implementation ma khainai eba kok salaina bagwi tei samung tangna bagwi khatungma je accord ni bisingtwi jora khe kok salaina nangnai aboni bagwi JWG eba joint working committee ma khainai eba 3 number hingke peace clause no agitation mane abono sajaka kwthalaimani kok agitation kwrwi kok salainani bagwi kaham khe tongna bagwi abo hai sajaka norok video no buji mankha hwnbai hino norok next video naisingui tongdi obo haino important video phainai hingke tini ni bagwi asukeno hambai।